In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a talking video in any language using VO in just 3 to 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to create content for a global audience or just experimenting with multilingual videos, this guide will walk you through all the essential steps. Let's dive in and make the process as straightforward and enjoyable as possible. To get started, you'll first want to open Gemini. Think of Gemini as your creative hub where all the magic begins. Once you're in, create a new chat. Here, you'll need to select the option that says Create Videos with VO. This is your gateway to the suite of tools that VO offers for video creation. Now, your next step is to prepare your prompt carefully. This step is crucial because your prompt will guide the video generation process. Make sure your prompt is clear, concise, and conveys exactly what you want your video to say. Remember, clarity is key here. It will save time and produce a better final product. One of the fantastic features of VO is its ability to generate dialogue in multiple languages. If you're aiming to reach a wider international audience or simply want to showcase linguistic diversity, specify the language you want right in your prompt. VO is designed to understand and process multilingual requests effectively. Once your prompt is ready and you've specified the language, it's time to bring your video to life. Click on Generate or Create Video. This action sets the wheels in motion, and you'll soon see your ideas becoming a reality. While VO works its magic, you can marvel at how technology can transform a simple prompt into an engaging video. With your video generated, the next step is all about quality assurance. You want to ensure that the visual quality meets your standards, the lip syncing is accurate, and the audio clarity is spot on. This is your moment to spot any discrepancies and make necessary adjustments to perfect your video. Finally, your video is ready to share with the world. Choose the option to download it as an MP4 file. Having it as an MP4 gives you the flexibility to easily integrate it into other video projects or share it across various platforms. If you're working on a bigger project, this feature is particularly handy as it allows for seamless integration with other content. And there you have it. You've successfully created a talking video in any language using VO. It's a fun and efficient way to connect with broader audiences or add a new dimension to your projects. Now go ahead and share your creation with the world and perhaps even try generating videos in other languages. Until next time, happy video making.